everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and I'm sporting a shirt that I'm planning on wearing on our cruise in October. I don't care if it's not a Disney cruise, I'm wearing a Mickey Hawaiian shirt, because why not, right? Alright, we've got another unboxing for you. I'm really excited about this one. Let me show you what we're doing. Another Mickey loot. This one, again, I kind of fell behind quite a bit on these, and I don't remember what ticket it is. I don't remember what month it's from because they've stacked up. But this is a large box. It's pretty heavy, and I'm excited for it. We're going to jump into this right now. Alright, so I don't know if you saw the last Mickey loot box we did, but holy cow, that one took my breath away. If you haven't watched it, go check it out because it was really good. The box, not the video. I'm not a fan of this guy that on Disney Dynamicks. It's kind of annoying. Oops. It's been so long I forget how to do this now. Ready? Oh, Matt's bringing the jokes. I'm sure this was egged on a little bit by DC, but so there's my postcard. It's definitely my favorite movie. Matt, your putts. Chris, we've themed your box to one of your all-time favorites. Oh no. Just let it go. This is gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad. I'll throw this in the photo box. Boop. And then, boop. Is this really a Frozen box? Ah, my dog is dying. She doesn't like Frozen either. Okay, spoiler sheet. Lots of confetti. Glitter bombs. Ooh, purple. Purple. Oh! That was a good one. And gold. Oh, it is green. That's a good one. Not fine.
Your face
is I really wonder if this is all Frozen stuff. Okay, here we go. We're gonna find out together. It's okay. This is like double awesome because number one, it's not Frozen. Number two, it's a cruise ship funnel, and I'm wearing my cruise ship shirt. Come on, man. It even has the lean. Oh, Disney Cruise Line. I love it. I'm gonna take this on the non-Disney cruise just to mess with them a little. You wanna see it in the photo box? Boop. Oh, so good. That's so. They really had me going. I thought I was getting Frozen stuff.
Let's start now.
Umbrella? Not an umbrella. Joffrey's Coffee. It's so hard not to say Joffrey's Coffee. Organic Peru full roast. Yes. Always love the taste of Disney. Thank you, guys. Okay. There's one thing in here and it's huge. It's covered in glitter. I don't know what they did. Ready? is so heavy. It's like, ugh. Oh, it's Cruz! This worked out so that you guys are going to think that I knew this was coming. I totally didn't. I just wore this shirt because we just got it. Look at this thing.
Is it still folded in half?
Yes, it's huge.
Holy cow. Putting that on the bed.
Oh my gosh. This thing is so big you could hide behind it. I'm back. This is amazing. Mary is looking at me crazy because it just fell on the ground in all the glitter. It is so thick and like soft.
Is it a cold blanket?
No, it's not. I hate those. We always have knockdown, drag out fights in our house that I always lose. The blankets she gets that says they're super soft, they always feel cold to me because they're like shiny. This is my blanket. Oh, this thing is huge, like super huge. And I'm 6'3", so that's what I need. All right. Let's see what we got from the spoiler. Oh my gosh. Okay. Spoiler sheet time. Okay, D ticket box. Disney Cruise Line Andrew Morgan Collection Cabin Blanket, $200. Is mine. The Disney Smokestack mug, it's a funnel. $16.99. Joffrey's Coffee, $12.99. Total $229.98. I'm so ready to go on a cruise. After this, I'm gonna actually have to go on a Disney cruise because, yeah, that's gonna happen. We tried to get on the Wishes, but couldn't get on there. Actually, while I've got you, speaking of vacations, if you are looking to book a vacation or a cruise or a Disney trip or whatever you got to do, contact Mel and Rob at Disney Connections. They are amazing. They do such a good job, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. If you were to go sit and book your Disney vacation and go through all the drama and making sure that you have done everything you're supposed to and figure it all out, if you call them and have them do it, it's the exact same amount. Disney gives them a kickback, not you. So if you want to make sure all your I's are dotted and your T's are crossed, contact Disney Connections. I will put their link down in the description down below. While we're at it, join our Facebook group, join their Facebook group, do what you gotta do, you know, join stuff. Alright, I think we're good here. This is so cool. And I just got a notification I got another box coming, so time to get caught up. Alright, if you would like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, what is your problem? Click the button right here. That's it. I hope you're having a great day.